Hey, Street Strider and me are doing great at Minnow Brown Park today. Uh, Even pedaling with one freaking hand on my outdoor elliptical bike. Sure, who needs two hands? Windy as heck, but when your wind sail in one direction, you're being pushed along in the other. And this is downhill. So, minimal pedaling. Fill a water bottle. That's fun on any day. I love it so much. I can't bear to exercise indoors, so even though it's like 30 mile hour, I don't know, 40 mile an hour gusts, couldn't resist. So, just a minute worth of showing the fun of street striding. You turn by leaning. Woo-wee! Oh, we'll go a minute and a half. With one hand it's fun. A little hard to get the elliptical bars going with one hand, so we might have to stop at this turn. Need to get one. I've talked to a lot of people about it, but so far nobody's taken me up on it. Oh, he didn't like to be on the curve. But don't worry. Streety's just fine. Onward down the trail.